Hello everyone and welcome back to Jeffy Unboxing. Today we're going to be doing a lip monthly bag. This lip monthly bag was apparently from February according to the card, but I received it literally on the last day of February, so at first I thought it might have been March's. So we're just going to get right into this. This little card also didn't tell us how much things were worth, but I went ahead and took the liberty of looking it up so we knew what the value of everything in our bag was. So the first thing they sent us is this little teeny bag. It says Lip Monthly, and it's got some daisies on it. It's actually pretty cute. I'm pretty satisfied with the bags they send. They're not the highest of quality, but Lip Monthly is only $12 a month, and at that price, I don't expect too much for a bag. The first thing we have is the Bella Vera Matte Liquid Lipstick. This color I don't think is right for me. I do like it. I just don't know that I would ever wear it. It's very chocolatey. I don't know. I'm going to swatch it on my arm so we can get like a good idea of like the texture of it. But ooh, it's very dark and it is one of my favorite colors. It's just not one of my favorite lip colors, you know? The next item in our bag is by Makup. And this looks like a little nicer of a color. It's very see-through. So this little bottle by Makup is a lip oil. So this is a good item. It's worth about $16, so I'm probably going to go ahead and gift this to my cousin. I don't think that a lip oil is something I would use, but it's interesting. I really like that this subscription box doesn't just send you 5 lipsticks a month. They do seem to do a pretty good job of sending you like a lip scrub or a lip oil or just something. It's all lip related, but at least it's not like 5 different shades of a lipstick. So I do appreciate that. The next lipstick that we have is an actual lipstick. It's the most expensive item in this box. This has a retail value of $21 and it's got a really cute case. And it just pulls out like that. And this is a very deep red. I can't say that I love this color at all. I'm passing on this as a color. I'm not like giving up on the brand forever. I would totally be willing to try this brand again. I just don't like the color on me. It's like an orangey red, but not like a good orangey red, you know? And the last thing in our box is by Dirty Little Secret, and this is worth $14. Okay. This is the prettiest pink color ever. And I would try it on for you guys, but like, you know, a lot of times I'll like give something to my cousin because I don't like it and I figure she might like it, but if she doesn't like it and it ends up triple regifted or just thrown away, it's not the end of the world. This color though, this without a doubt, my cousin's a beautiful blonde and this is like her color. So I'm not even gonna put this on my face. Oh, that pink. So this is probably my favorite item in the entire bundle. My cousin lucked out this month because she's gonna get all 3 of these. I don't think she'll use this one, but I know for a fact I won't, so it's hopefully maybe with some outfit she might like it. The lip oil she might enjoy trying. I'm just not huge on lip oils. And this pink one, man, that's like a birthday gift. That's how good this pink color is. So the total value of our box was $65. I liked our last one more than this one, but I was not disappointed at all for the price. I do have that same feeling I had last time that if you were subscribed to Lip Monthly for a very long time, it might end up getting annoying after a while because how many lip products do you actually need? But if you are like trying to stock up on makeup or like you're just starting out, I think it is such a good deal. They do send you a huge variety of things and a variety of colors. I mean, I didn't like this lipstick, but it is technically like a darker red type lipstick, and they gave you a pink, a brown, a red, and a lip oil. Like, that's a really good deal for someone who's not used to makeup, doesn't quite know what they like yet, and just wants to try some new things. I still stand by this company. I think that of all the subscription boxes that I receive, I think this is the best value for the money. However, it's one of those subscription boxes that after like 6 months you might not need for like the next 6 months. Like BoxyCharm you can get every month, and they give you such a variety of products that you could probably get BoxyCharm all year round and not overwhelm your makeup collection. With these, you would probably overwhelm your lipstick collection if you kept an entire year's worth subscription to this company. But they do let you cancel your subscription whenever. It's no hassle to cancel. You could always, you know, do it for a month or two, cancel for a couple months, do it again for another couple months. And when you think about how much you spend on a lipstick, like every single one of these had a higher value than the cost of the entire subscription. So definitely, if you're looking for something new to try, I would suggest trying out Lip Monthly. I don't know if it needs to be said, but I'm not sponsored. I'm such a small channel that literally nobody is sponsoring any of my opinions at this point. But yeah, so thank you guys for joining me for this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please hit like and subscribe. It is a free way that you can help my channel grow. And if you're interested in further supporting me as an artist, I actually have a website that I sell things on that I make by hand. We do candles, soaps, jewelry, and a lot of other things. So it's mostly dog-themed stuff, and the website's name is Jeffyandchihuahua.com. I will go ahead and leave a link to that in the description down below. Even if you're not interested in purchasing anything, it's always fun to go look at what people have made. You know, I love looking at things that people have crafted because everyone's style is just so unique. So thank you, and I hope I will see you all again.